Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today it's a very cold morning in North Yorkshire. However, I'm excited again because another modification will go on my car just in a moment. So as you probably know, since the day I bought this car, I didn't feel love to the exhaust tips. I think they're just too bland. I don't really like chrome. I don't think it suits the car. So I wanted to get something more stealthy, but a bit shouty as well. And I wanted something with a carbon fiber. So I could think only about one thing: MPE exhaust tips. Obviously I was considering buying an MPE system actually, so I wasn't sure what to do. However, for now I decided I'm not going to change the exhaust, so I thought I need to fix the problem of the shiny exhaust tips. So I bought this. So yes, these are the MPE style exhaust tips. Apparently it's a real carbon. They look really good. Normally I think they cost around 250 quid each. These ones I got full set for less than 200 quid, so you can get them on eBay in really good price. If you are looking for something which looks a bit more OEM but is not costing an arm and leg, then I think this is the perfect choice. So as you can see, this fits in on the original pipes, and then you tighten them with the bolt. So I think it's going to be pretty easy to install it, but let's jump into it now and see how it goes. Apparently, to take this out, it's a pretty simple process. You just have to whack them from the back and they should come off pretty easily. Let's hope it will be the case. I'm going to use a bit of timber just to make sure I'm not damaging anything. That wasn't too hard. So as you can see, the clips just let go, and that's it. Let's pick up this beautiful and performance style one. So this will go over the pipe. That's it. And yeah, now it's just a matter of fitting it. But oh yes, I mean, that looks so much better. You have to agree with me. It absolutely adds the aggression to the back of the car. Definitely good choice. So I'm going to do another one, then I'm going to tie them to the pipes, and we'll see how it compares to the other side. I think they look absolutely brilliant. What do you think? So yes guys, I think you're going to agree with me that they look absolutely amazing compared to the standard tips. I'm so happy with how they came out. I think the next thing to think about is probably this. I don't really like this diffuser either, and it's just plastic, and there are two options I'm considering. One would be a carbon fiber diffuser, another one would be to actually respray that to gloss black. Probably a cheaper option, which I might try first. So thank you very much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video very shortly. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Do widzenia.